This is a video how to make pom-poms. Let's craft with guinea pig love. First, you need some yarn. Second, on a cardboard as thin as you want, you cut out a circle and then a smaller circle inside. Make two of them the same size. Then, here's a toothbrush to make the pom-poms softer. This is optional. You're gonna need scissors too. And then your hands. Any type of yarn would do, and you'll need a lot of it if you want to make pom-poms bigger. But to make them bigger, you need bigger circles and then a little bigger and the size of this circle inside. So it's kind of like a cookie with a cutout middle of the circle. You want them at least to be almost the same size. Let's begin. First, cut out a really long piece of string and then fold it up to the length you like. Then take your circles. It can just be regular cardboard, not too thick or anything. See how it doesn't match? It's okay. Take your string, pull it in, take all of them, pull it until you reach the end. I'm going to stop right there because there is a stray strand right there. Just try to do your best to wrap every single thing, but you're going to have to hold some parts. You'll need more yarn, I'm pretty sure. Hold it there. Actually, hold it there. Take the top again. Put it through. Line it up. Take the top. Pull it through. You can shift it up a little. Take the top. Pull it through. You want to make sure that you pull both two strings, or your whole string through. It depends how many layers you need. I made 4 actually, but 2 loops. Just keep on doing that. Once you don't finish, you can just kind of see that. Take out more yarn. Just take as much as you can. Well, not really. Just take about your arm's length. Fold it. Just like that. Take your string again. Okay. Want to hold it there, right where it ends. So this is my string. Put it right there. Use one hand to hold it. use the part where it's actually opened. Then that will be the top. Do what you're supposed to do and cover the part where you didn't do so. Pull it through again and again until you reached the end. Now that's pretty much wrapped, you want to cut it. Go from side, then kind of turn up, and then cut it. Go from the side. You want pretty sharp scissors. Just like that. And then just keep cutting. You want to get all the strands. Now that's all cut, try to kind of tidy it up. It's puffy and so we'll go through the hole. Kind of open it up halfway. And then tie a thread between it, right there. So you kind of have the shape, except I tied it. See that piece of thread? Yeah, and I think this ball has kind of a bad hair day. So this is where your trash can comes in. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'll try to show you this with one hand. But you can keep the things you've cut to make stuffing. But you have to be careful where this lands because this is messy. Now it's kind of tough taking the shape of the ball. Then take your toothbrush and start kind of brushing it. You will get things in your toothbrush, and your toothbrush shouldn't be used. An old, non-used toothbrush. This will make it softer and have more shape of puffiness. Then all you need to do is trim it a little bit more. Now the ball has shapened up, and with the toothbrush it's much softer. And it looks more like a pom-pom. And when you have the toothbrush, it kind of has this furry stuff. You can use this as stuffing for stuffed animals later on. So I have this bag. I put some of that stuff right in here, just to make some stuffing. Pom-poms. DIY. Do it yourself pom-poms. Try this at home.